Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your Pet Shan and this is your mixed area. Well, today on Skincare Friday, what am I gonna talk about? Do you actually use like a lots of products and then still pimples still appear on your skin? Or do you like actually wear like all those special pimple creams and all? Like you can see I still have my pimples is still going on. So today I thought why don't I share what are the causes for pimples? You see, most of us we get pimples. Some people say because of stress. Some people say it's because with puberty. Some people say it's because somebody likes you. How the hell? Just because you get pimples on your cheek that it means like a lot of people like you. No matter how many products you try, no matter how many pimple cream or acne cream that you're trying, sometimes pimples just don't go away. And the reason is because number one, even your pillow sheet can be the reason for your pimple. Why? Of course, how many months since you've washed your pillow sheet? Tell me. You see, when you're sleeping, sometimes we put our face onto our pillows and everything. Pimples sometimes appear because of dirt as well. And so you have to know where is the dirt and where is it coming from. You see, even pillow sheets have so much of dirt because we don't usually wash them. So remember, if you are trying to improve on your acne and all, it's best to wash your pillowcase as much as possible. I can recommend you maybe three times a month. Maybe 3 times a month it should be good enough. Because you see, those dirts are coming from your head to your face, and bed dust in your room, everything is right on your pillowcase. So it's good to wash and keep it clean. Number 2, oily scalp. Yes, honestly, for those people who wash your hair like once in a week, twice in a week, I am telling you, please wash your hair as often as possible, because that oil straight comes down to your face and clogs the pores, and that's where the pimples appear. So remember to wash your hair clean and thoroughly. Means like clean it properly, and make sure there's no shampoo left over. Make sure to rinse it properly, clean it properly, and by that way maybe you can improve onto your pimple. Because oily scalp is definitely not good. Let's just say I'm oily skin, and oil plus oil, of course my pores are going to get clogged, which is not good. So you have to make sure clean your hair as often as possible, but it doesn't mean wash every day. Washing your hair every day is also quite bad. Why? Because one, it can damage your roots, because you're putting too much of pressure on your roots, man. Not pressure on your roots. What do you call it? Yeah, washing your hair every day actually can damage your roots because it's not good. That's what they say lah. But yeah, actually it's not good lah. So remember, don't over wash your hair and don't wash less, okay? Remember to wash maybe like 4 times a week. 3 times a week is also good enough. But not once a week lah, please Number 3, face brushes. To all the ladies out there at home, do you have any face brush like this? This is like the face brush to wash your face, to scrub and everything. Do you have it? This is also a main cause for your pimples to grow. Let me tell you why. You see, this is one thing that I did last time. When I had a lot of pimples on my forehead, right? I used this face brush. I washed it here, and then immediately I washed it all over here, which is bad. Why? Because you're basically bringing all these germs right here to over here to over here. That is not good. That's why usually I tell people, when you're washing your face, especially like maybe with your fingers, right? Once you wash it here on this area where there's a lot of pimples, wash your hand again, apply the face cream, and then wash on your cheeks. Don't immediately wash it and then wash all your face. No, that can worsen your pimples, and it can bring out other pimples onto other areas, especially when you have fungal acne. Fungal acne are very easy to spread all over your face, so be careful. And also same goes to the face brush. You see, these face brushes, right, it can be silicone or like normal brushes. If you're using it at one spot, I recommend you to rather use it at that particular spot and not anywhere else, because you don't know how dirty this thing is. That's why I don't use these things anymore, but I'm keeping it anyways. I don't know why. So remember, the next time when you're washing your face, remember to use this one finger here first, one hand over here, wash your hands, apply the face wash again, and then you wash it here. Alright? Another reason why pimples can occur is because using toilet papers. You know how you go outside and then you say that, oh, my skin is very oily, I want to wash my face. Okay, it's good, of course, you want to wash your face, but why do you have to use the toilet tissue? The toilet paper, like basically the tissue. Do not use like outside toilet papers or tissues, just don't, because that is not even clean. You don't know who even touch it, who maybe touch. You don't know, right? It's good to bring a small towel with you, so that whenever you go out, if you feel it's oily, you can just wash your face and use your towel. Do not use outside tissue papers or do not use them, because it's very dirty and actually it's not good for your skin. Why? Of course it's dirty. Ayo. I know. Sometimes you say, I see so many people using tissue to wash their face also. Why what problem with me? You need to know your skin type. If you watch my last week's video, like I said, you need to understand your skin type. For people who have sensitive skin, oily skin, or the combination skin, do not use tissues outside of, like in the toilet or in public areas. Bring yourself a normal towel, a small towel in your handbag or in your pocket or anything. Or even for guys, just bring a small towel, and then if you feel your skin is oily and then you wash your face, use your own towel. So yeah, those are the main causes. Those are some causes of why pimples appear. Number one, pillowcase, blankets, anything. Wash them at least twice a month, or at least 3 times. I meant like your pillowcases 3 times 1 month. It's also good. It keeps your skin clean and healthy. Number 2, oily scalp. Remember to wash your hair as often as possible. Not every day, but as often as possible. You don't want to let down the oil come down to your face and clog your pores and then pimple appear. Then you don't come and tell me pimple everywhere lah. Kick you. And then reason number 3, face scrubs, face brush, anything, or even your fingers. Like I said, once you wash on your pimple area, or even if you're using a face brush, once you're using it on your pimple area, wash it again with water, and then you apply again face wash, and then you apply it on a new spot on your face. Don't use it here and then here. No, that's disgusting. And especially to people who have fungal acne, no, better don't do that, because it can spread your face. It can spread onto your face, which is not good. Alright? And last one, to bring your own towel. This is very, very important, because I've seen a lot of people, using tissues outside. I know maybe sometimes if you really don't have the choice, then it's fine, because you don't have the choice. But it's very good that if you can actually bring your own towel. Like I'm an oily skin, I usually sometimes bring my towel outside whenever I go. So if I feel my skin is too oily, I sometimes wash it out. And I try to avoid tissue papers as much as possible, because you don't know how dirty they are. Just don't. So yeah, these are the causes of your pimples, and of course there are many other reasons, but these are the some main causes that happens in our daily life. So remember, before I end it, once you wash your pimples here, wash your hand again, apply the face wash, and then put on a new spot. I'm telling you, this one will work. This one will really work. And if you're not gonna follow me, haha, bye bye. Congratulations on your new pimple. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope I have helped you, and if you want anything, if you want any information or advices about for pimples, don't worry, stay tuned every Friday and I'll see you again. Bye!